In this video, we're going to show you how to unload, unbox, and test a NewTek gutter machine. Hi, I'm Ben from NTM. There are a few things you want to keep in mind before receiving your gutter machine. You want to have a way of unloading the gutter machine. You want to have a nice open area to place the gutter machine. You want to have an extension cord available. Check your manual for the specifications of the cord. Lastly, you want to make sure you read your gutter machine manual prior to delivery. When receiving your gutter machine, it's really important to inspect the gutter machine for any damage prior to signing. If possible, get into the back of the truck and inspect the machine that way. If not, then wait till you have the machine unloaded in a nice open area where you can visually inspect the gutter machine. After inspection of the gutter machine, if you do notice damage, take photos, make note of it on the bill of lading. After you and the driver sign the bill of lading, call NTM. If there's no visible damage during inspection, then sign for shipment. Next, you want to remove the packing slip and the packaging of the gutter machine. You want to remove the accessories from the top of the gutter machine and verify contents with the packing slip and items received. Our shipment included 5/6 combo gutter machine, Mach 2 operation and maintenance manual, MG5 bottom bead assembly, 5-inch Ashley gutter art assembly, manual gutter art operators and maintenance manual, easy counter, manual for the easy counter, 4-button remote, 5/6 cradle assembly, set of 3 gutter runout stands, and gutter machine cart. Now that you have the machine unpackaged, take covers off and inspect inside the machine for any unseen damage. Next, plug in the gutter machine and test the functions of the gutter machine: forward, reverse, start, stop, jog, and run. And check that the shear operates correctly. Now you want to cut about an 8-foot piece of material, cut the corners on the leading edge of the material, and run the material through the gutter machine to verify that the machine is working correctly. Note that all NewTek gutter machines are set up to run 11 7/8 wide coil. Check your manual for learning how to adjust your gutter machine for different widths of material. Remove the machine from its skid and place it in the location you're going to be using it. Next, you want to fasten it appropriately, and you can check your manual for specifications. If you need additional information, check out our website for additional educational resources. If you have specific questions, please call our distributor or NewTek Machinery. Thanks for watching.